Summary of the Four Agreements by Don Miguel Ruiz, written by Nicholas Goca. The Four Agreements draws from the ancient Toltec wisdom of Mexico, illustrating how we are domesticated from childhood by societal and cultural influences. These influences shape a set of internal rules that may harm us, and Ruiz offers a new framework for guiding principles to break free from them. 1. Be impeccable with your word. 2. Don't take anything personally. 3. Don't make assumptions. And 4. Always do your best. Favorite quote: death is not the biggest fear we have. Our biggest fear is taking the risk to be alive, to express what we really are. Don Miguel Ruiz explores the concept of domestication, the process by which society imposes rules and beliefs on us from a young age, often leading to unexamined lives. He explains that most of the rules we follow aren't chosen consciously, but we are conditioned by parents, teachers, religion, and society. These rules can make us chase validation and fear rejection, but breaking free from them is possible by following new agreements. The second principle, don't take anything personally, is particularly powerful. Ruiz explains that others' words and actions are more about their internal struggles than about us. Understanding this helps stop the cycle of taking offense and internalizing negativity. To fully embrace this, one must develop deep self-awareness and trust in one's own worth. Lastly, Ruiz shares 3 strategies for breaking old agreements. 1. Identifying and dismantling fear-based beliefs. 2. Practicing forgiveness, especially self-forgiveness. And 3. Embracing the present moment by remembering that each day could be your last. These actions help free us from the patterns that limit our true potential. By embracing these new agreements, we can transform our lives, step out of the confines of domestication, and live authentically.